Just bump it back up. Give it an acceleration through. Still and stay. Let's right back at a 30. Let's hold it right here. Let's quick 30. Let's send those legs down. Legs and go. There we go, guys. Holding it right here. We're back at that 4 legs. Back and stay. Into, let's take 10 first on big legs, driving off that footboard. That's 1. And 2, 10 for legs. That's 1, get them down. 2 off the footboard. And squeeze it off here. Legs, go. Legs, there we go. 6, 7, 8, press them down. 9, and 10, there we go, ladies. We're 150 meters away from them right here. We're still just sitting right behind them. We're going to drive it through and send those bow puddles away. Send and go. Send them away here. Leave our wake behind. There we go, ladies. Right at a 29 here. Let's keep it all together. Make 1 stroke, 1 drive through. And all following together. Good job, girls. Keeping it right here. Keeping that boat moving. Focus on that acceleration. Big acceleration. Driving it back. And sending it through. We're coming up to our first bridge right here. About 100 meters away. Let's get us there by holding this 30 all together. Just hold it nice and quick. Let's quick through the water. Quick blades down. There we go, guys. Good shift right there. Now hold it together. Send now. Send together. Send those legs. Squeezing it off. Our bow ball just hit the bridge here. Send us through it. About 200 meters away from that other floor right here. Let's focus inside of our own boat. Focus on that person in front of you. And really matching up with them here. And 2, we're going to take a shift to really hold down that recovery and focus on that power per stroke. So let's shift into, that's 1, and 2, hold, and 6, hold, and go. There we go, ladies. And right at that 28, and just keeping that boat moving. Like long and strong. Good on that length here, girls. Back and go. Back and stay. Good aggression, guys. In 2, we're going to take a 10 for our stern pair. That's 1. And 2. 10 for them right here, girls. Following through with them. And staying that rhythm of our boat. Just follow back with them. That's 6. There we go. 7. Stay with them. 8. Right through. 9. And 10. Keep it up, girls. We got a straight line to this next bridge here. About 300 meters away. Focus inside that boat. Focus on moving with that person in front of you. Nice 1 stroke here. Nice 1 drive through. And move that boat together, girls. Move that water away by hooking those blades in. Like hook and go. Hook and set. There we go, girls. Nice and consistent. We're still at that 28. Let's keep plowing it through. I still see that other boat. Let's just hang out 200 meters ahead. You got it right here. Keep that hook and drop. Hook and set. And 2. Let's take 10 to focus on locking those blades in. And feeling that resistance in 2. That's 1. And 2 on this one. Hook it in here, girls. Let's hook and set. Lock and hang. 3, there we go. 4, feel that resistance. 5, push it away. 6, hang on to it. 7, 8, there we go. 9, and 10. Good job, girls. And we're coming up to that bridge. Less than 100 meters away. Let's get us there in less than 10 right here. And that's 2. 3, hold them in. 4, long strokes. 5, there we go. 6, gonna make it. 7, 8, we hit that bridge. Good job, girls. Let's keep keeping the power per stroke. stroke here. Nice big jump. Accelerating that. Get that press through. Send it away. There we go, girls. Let's keep it up right here. Nice strong stroke. All together. All four really moving as a boat here. Moving through. And pressing that water away. Into. We're going to take a 10 for our bow pin. That's 1. And 2 on this one. Right for 2 spins here. Do it first. We're sending away for bailing. Right for bow back here. There we go, girls. That's 5. We're going to pick it up and move. Right for the stern here. That's 7. 8 all together. 9. And 10. Good job, girls. Start moving that boat together. Move and go. Sit up and send. Good work, girls. We're still sitting at that 29. Nice long 29 here. Keep reaching up for it. Reach and go. Get those blades in. Sharp, take. Sharp. Yes, girls. We're really attacking here. We're coming off that 2K course. We're just about to hit that 2K mark. Coming around that turn. You guys got it right here. You got aggression on the blade. Ride that boat through. Then right, set. Right and go. There we go. Picking up that boat. Sending it away. And 2. We're going to take 10 to focus on quick catches all together. That's 1. And 2 quick catches here. Just drop that blade. Drop and go. Drop and sit. Just backing it in. There we go, guys. Right there. Keep it on. Sharp. 8. There we go. 9. And 10. I see the dog coming up right here. Come right close around it. Just stay together right here. Nice even pressure. Nice set through. Set and go. There we go, guys. Focus in our boat here. Nice hang on it now. Okay, and go. Good, guys. Just coming around that dock. We hit that halfway mark. In 2, let's take 10 to really commit to this vortex. That's 1. And 2 on this one. Commit right here. We got power on the blade. And right there we go. Right around that jump. That's 5. Commit. 6, 7. There we go. 8, 9, and 10. There we go, guys. We got a straight line to this next dock here. Just broke that halfway mark. Just final to go. This final 2K right here. Just long and 10. Good, guys. We're holding that 8 off here. Right at that 30. We're hold at the edge. A big go. Right through those legs. And squeeze it off together. Less than 100 meters from this next bridge right here. Let's keep it all together. And send through as 1. Then big through those legs. Big and go. There we go, girls. We're right ahead of that 8. We're holding our water. We're holding our distance here. And make sure that you relax and go. And 2, we're going to take a shift to relax, recover here. Get right back on ring. That's 1. And 2. Let's go. And go. Good shift, ladies. Nice power per stroke. Stand right there. There we go, guys. Let's go contact with that 8. Hold, go. Hold and set. Right at that 30. Accelerate back. Nice big set. Boom, set. There we go, girls. We're 150 from the next bridge. We're on bow to stern with that 8. Let's hold this contact coming up to the bridge. About 10 strokes away. Hold on to it here. Long through that water. And hook and hang. Hook and set. There we go, girls. Hold it right here. You've got that momentum. Sit up and swing. Sit up and go. that bridge, and it's a little bit of distance ahead of us. That's okay right here. We're going to keep focusing our boat. Keep getting those legs down, and press off that foot with us. A big press. Press and send, and we'll power through those heels. There we go, girls. Just pass under the train bridge right here. And shoot, let's take 10 to focus on that big acceleration to get that power per stroke in 2. That's 1. And 2, 10 right here. 1, set it down. 2, big legs. 3, 4, quick surge. 5, acceleration. 6, there we go. 7, 8, right on in here. 9, and 10. There we go, ladies. Way to keep it up. We got a little bit of a wake right here. Just keep getting those blades right in. Without the pass us. Just keeping that hook and send. Hook, there we go. Get those blades in. Drive it back together. You want that 1 stroke again. Let's match up that time and follow that person in front of you. 1, yes. Then sharp, go. Sharp towards that water. And clean up that time. There we go, ladies. Keep it up right there. Got that nice shake. Now let's hang on to it. Right out of 29. Let's pump it up to that 30. With a quicker heels down. 29.5. Then pop that blade in. Bring it on it right here. Right on that 30. You got a straight line to the bridge here. We're about 300 meters away from the final bridge. Let's just hang it out right here. And push it out all together, girls. Hang and go. Hang and stay. Use those legs. Drive that boat. Push it up and stay. There we go, guys. Let's hold it right here. Right at that 30. And all moving together. Use aggressive through. Attack at that catch. Keep that power on. Attack and go. Attack and send. Every stroke, ladies. Keep that pressure on. We're coming out to that bridge here. 150 meters. Just keep that drive through. Big, send. Big and go. Let's get up to that bridge in 10. That's 1. Stay on it. 2, long through. 3, set up there. 4, there we go. 5, 6, that way. 7, 8, we're passing through. 9, and 10, there we go, ladies. Literally pass us under through the bridge here. Passing us through. We have the final from here to the dam. We have about 300 meters left. Now let's hang it out here. With us against the clock. Let's drive with those heels. Send it away. Once those bow bundles away, leaving our wake behind. A big through. Power and send. There we go, girls. Right here, all together. In 2, let's take a 10. With powerful legs. That's 1. And 2 on this one. I want to feel that shift. Squeeze it off here. Then boom. 10. Boom. There we go. 4 with those legs. 5, squeeze it off. 6, off that footboard. 7, 10. 8, there we go. 9, and 10. We got less than 200 meters left right here. We're just bang it out each stroke. All that power, just put it on the blade right here. Leave it on that blade, and just send it back now, girls. Send together. Leave it out on the water. Boom, go. Boom, and send. We got less than 100 meters right here. We've got it. Let's finish it off. Right against that clock. All together, girls. 1 shot. Send now. There we go. Gonna keep it right here. Holding on to that momentum to the final stroke right here. I see that finish and send it now. Big together. Final stroke, girls. Send it up. Battle. 1 more.